New into stock we have this Citroen Grand C4 Picasso. It's the 1.6 BlueHDi exclusive. It's a 5-door, it's a 2016 on a 16 plate and has done now 16,219 miles. I've just been using it the last couple of days. Really handy vehicle, plenty of room. It's a 7-seater, it's very economical. Fuel consumption is urban 61.4, extra urban 74.3, and combined is 68.9. So 60 miles to the gallon is achievable, or should be. 0 to 60 time of 11.5 seconds and a top speed of 117 miles per hour out of a 118 brake horsepower engine. Where to start with the specification? It has sat nav, it has full pan roof with a full shade band. You've also got these very handy features. You can pull the sun visors back. You've got a massive glass area there. Visibility all round is fantastic. Multifunction steering wheel, it's automatic, it has paddle shift, it's got cruise control. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, you've also got audio streaming, so any music on your phone you can play through the speakers. It's got the Citroen Multi-City Connect system. On the dash here there's all sorts of settings. The car will park itself, it'll reverse into a parking spot lengthways or parallel park. We've done a video of it actually doing that. It's absolutely tremendous. It's got massage seats, which are another great function, and you can turn up the intensity of it. The passenger seat has a leg rest which comes out from the seat squab, and you can basically turn the passenger seat into a bed. You've got blinds on the side windows here. It's got alloy wheels. It's finished in aluminium silver metallic. It has slate grey half leather seats with black cloth in the centre. It's on Michelin Primacy tyres and 17-inch Boa alloy wheels. The car is beautiful. It's had one service, which was at Bristol Street Motors, and that was done on the 21st of August 2017 at 12,517 miles, so less than 4,000 miles ago. The car is beautiful, as I say, 7 seats. It's a good looking car, it drives great. We've got a power tailgate. It's power opening and power closing. You can open it from the remote and shut it at the touch of a button. The middle row of seats fold forward, the back seats fold flat. You can change the dashboard to show navigation, photos, dials, or which particular media you're using at the time. It's keyless entry, it's keyless go as well. So as long as you've got the key on your person, just open the door, get in, press the start button and you're away. The automatic gear selector is just on the dash here.